Have you guys downloaded the app Tandem, chatted with a few people, and just completely gave up? In this video, I have some tips for you for how to make the most of the Tandem app. Hi everyone, my name is Layla and I'm a Thai teacher here at Pastel Thai, and I've been learning German for 3 years. The number one thing that makes my German improve is to actually speak the language. But I'm a Thai teacher, I teach online and my friends are all speaking English to me. How do I improve my speaking? By going on the Tandem app and find people who want to exchange Thai or English with me, and I teach them Thai or English, and then I get to practice German with them. Sounds easy enough, but how to make the people actually talk to me? Tip number 1, write a really good bio. Explain who you are by expressing what you're passionate about. Make people feel like you're a human being who is willing to exchange your language and at the same time willing to learn and stay curious about someone else's culture. For example, in my bio, I write that I'm really interested to learn about people's culture and I'm really fascinated by the translations between languages, and I love exchanging different meanings of different words with people. That just makes my heart so happy. So I put that in my bio. I feel like that will help people to decide to talk to me more than if I just say, "Hi, I'm looking for someone. I want to improve my German. Chat with me." Tip number 2. Write a good introduction message when you start messaging someone. This is what I write to everybody who I want to start chatting with. Hi, my name is Layla and I'm a Thai teacher. I'm learning German because I moved to Germany 2 years ago. I'd be very happy if we could become language partners. Are you learning Thai for professional or personal reasons? If I see that someone writes in their profile that they can read Thai, I would ask what book they are reading at the moment. If I see on their profile that they like watching movies or series, I ask, what are you watching right now? I try to end the introduction with a question so they feel like they want to respond. Avoid saying things like, "Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you doing?" These do not initiate any kind of interest, and I try to avoid that. I want people to know who I am, how I'm like, and I want to see if they want to become my partners. Because the goal here is to learn a language and to actually chat with a real person. If I cannot get a real person to be interested in chatting with me, then I have no way to actually improve. Tip number 3, initiate a voice or video call, whatever you feel comfortable with. Don't wait for your partner to ask, you can ask. You can say, "Hey, would you be free this Saturday for 15 minutes? We could do a video call." You can just call for 15 minutes to see if you vibe, to see if you like to chat with each other. If yes, and you don't want to do video call all the time, you can do voice call. I have a partner who, for the first time, we call for an hour. I talked for 30 minutes in German and then she talked for 30 minutes in English, and after that we just started doing only voice calls because we didn't want to be sitting in front of a computer. I could walk around, clean the kitchen, and chat with her. Tip number 4, share your goals with your partner. If you want to focus on speaking, tell your partner that you really want to focus on speaking more. Ask them to correct you every time you say something wrong. Native speakers who are not teachers usually are afraid to correct someone too much because they don't want to demotivate you. But if you don't mind being corrected, you can ask them, "Please correct me every time. Please stop me. Don't worry, I won't be mad." Another thing you could do is to bring an article or a podcast into the conversation. You can send them a podcast ahead of time or send them an article ahead of time, have them read it or have them listen to it. And then during a conversation, you could try to summarize it to your partner and ask them if you understood everything correctly. If you're not sure what to listen to, check out this social tab on Tandem and join a language party. Even if you don't chat with the people, just listen to what they're saying and then summarize it for your partner. Tip number 5 is to not give up on chatting with people. I had to send messages to maybe 20 people to now have 2 consistent partners. Also, don't be mad if it takes them 2 or 3 or 4 days to reply. I don't think they mean to ignore you. It's just that they have friends and family and work to take care of, and Tandem partners is just not on their priority list. You can also keep messaging new people as they pop up. You never know when you're gonna find people who you vibe with. If you're serious about language learning and you want to find exchange partners long term, I would really suggest that you pay for the Pro subscription. With the Pro subscription, you get to remove the ads, you get unlimited translations, which is really useful. When you don't know something, you can just tap translation and it translates to you in the app. Another advantage of Pro is you get to find who is near you. And I think this is so awesome. You can find people who are in your proximity. Maybe you can meet up and actually practice in person, which really helps you to build friendship as well. I know not everybody's goal is to make friends on Tandem. Some people just want to learn a language and to improve their speaking. But if your goal is to also foster friendships with someone in your area, I would suggest that you go for the Pro subscription so that you could filter by area or to see people who are nearby you. These are the tips from my experience using Tandem. What are yours? Let me know in the comment below. And I'll see you in the next video.